Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent these. These are 2-pack replacement mower blades for my 33-inch Cub Cadet mower. These are a high lift design that will help draw in a little bit more grass and to stand everything up, and they should be a direct replacement for the bottom of this. So what I'm going to do is take off one of these right here and kind of show you. The old one comes off of there. These that go on there are a direct replacement with this butterfly design. It'll lock in place with where it needs to on there to hold that in place, because these are timed, and so it's got to go on there a certain way. We're just going to replace the bolt back over the top and crank that down here. And once I'm going to get that tightened up really good, we'll show you how it works. As you can see, it seems to be cutting just fine.